Hey, lovely people. I'm Maya, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. You might have come across these kind of viral AI monk videos on Instagram.
Number 1. Don't waste your energy on the people who don't support you. Number 2. Don't waste your energy on what other thinks about you. Number 3. Don't waste your energy on one-sided relationships.
This is Instagram profile with millions of views on many videos, and they have posted their first reel around 6 weeks ago. And the shocking part is that they have got 650k plus followers in just 6 weeks with 56 videos at the time of recording this video. Isn't it amazing? If you're interested in learning how to create these kinds of videos and quickly go viral, make sure to watch this video until the end. You can follow same steps to create video using your mobile phone. Step 1. Creating the viral script. There are two best ways to create a viral script, and second way is quite interesting. 1. Creating the viral script with ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like "Give me 5 things that Buddha says to avoid in order to be successful in life," with one teaching in one line, and it will generate an interesting script for you. You can type in the topic you want. Once you have the generated script, copy it to a text editor, add numbers, and organize the content. This script will be used for a viral video. 2. Creating the viral script by taking inspiration from Instagram posts. You can find content inspiration from Instagram posts. To do this, go to Instagram search and search for Buddha teaching and open to one of the posts. You can search for profiles related to your niche. This is a great way to gather ideas and add your unique touch to the script. You can easily copy image content using the Copyfish Chrome extension. Add the extension to the Chrome and click on Extension and select the text from the Instagram posts. If you want to learn more about Copyfish, you can watch my video. Step 2. Creating the image with Bluewillow AI. Now that we have our script ready, it's time to create the visual part of our video. We will be using a free tool called Bluewillow, which specializes in generating images based on text prompts. To access Bluewillow, click on the link provided in the description and click on Join as free beta, and then click on Accept Invite to add Bluewillow in Discord server. Once you're on the Bluewillow platform, type in the command Imagine and this prompt. I will provide same prompt in the description. Press the Enter button. Wait a few seconds for the image to generate. Here is the image that has been generated for us. You can upscale the image using the U buttons and create variations using the V buttons. The upper left image is V1, upper right is V2, lower left is V3, and lower right is V4. Similarly, you can upscale the image and choose the version you like best. Make sure to select a front-facing monk image. To download the image, open it in Chrome, right-click, and save it as an image file. Now we have our image ready for use. In my case, I used a private Bluewillow server to ensure that I can only create images. If you want to learn more about creating a private server, you can check out the link in the video description. Step 3. Uploading the image and script to the DIT tool. With image ready, it's time to combine them into a video. We will be using the DIT tool for this step. To access the DIT tool, click on the provided link in the description and log in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on Create Video to begin the process. Now, click on the Add button and upload the monk image from your system. Once the image is uploaded, select it from the available options. On the right-hand side, navigate to the Script tab and add your script there. Set the language as English and choose a male voice for the narration. When everything is set, click on Generate Video. Wait for a few seconds while the video is being generated. Once it's ready, you can preview the video. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the Download button to save the video to your device. The DIT tool simplifies the process. providing a quick and efficient way to create videos without the need for complicated video editing software. Step 4. Adding subtitles to your final video using Veed tool. Adding subtitles to your video can make it more engaging. Adding subtitles. To add subtitles, click on the Veed tool link provided in the description and sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed up, click on Create Project to get started. Next, click on Browse to upload the downloaded video to Veed. Wait for the video to load completely in the Veed tool interface. Once it's loaded, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Subtitles to access the Subtitles tab. Click on Auto Subtitle and select Subtitles language as English, and finally click on Generate Subtitles and wait for a few seconds while the tool generates automatic subtitles for your video. Once the subtitles are generated, you can easily edit them by clicking on the text and making any necessary changes. To style the subtitles, click on Style and select Preset Styles as Karaoke. Customize the font size, font color, alignment, and other settings according to your preference. I am using the font as Anton, setting this font size, font color to white, and alignment to center. Once you're satisfied with the subtitles and styling, click on Done. In the export settings, select the desired output format, such as Instagram, by clicking on Setting icon, and after that click on Export. Wait for a few seconds while the video is being processed. Once it's done, you'll see a download icon. Click on the download icon and then click on MP4 format and video will be downloaded. For a detailed tutorial on how to add subtitles free of cost, you can find the link in description. Step 5. Removing Veed logo from the video. Having a third-party logo in our video may not give it a professional look. To remove the logo, I recommend watching my YouTube video tutorial, which provides detailed instructions on how to do this. You can find the link to the tutorial in the description below. And there you have it.
5 things that Buddha says to avoid to be successful in life. 1. Avoid harmful actions. Avoid doing harm to yourself and others, for true success comes from cultivating compassion and kindness. 2. Avoid negative thoughts. Free your mind from negative thoughts, for success arises from a mind that is peaceful, focused, and filled with positivity. 3. Avoid attachment. Let go of attachment to possessions and desires, for true success lies in the freedom from craving and the ability to find contentment within.
By following these simple steps, you too can create amazing viral talking AI avatar videos. Once you have created your masterpiece, go ahead and upload it on Instagram to gain more followers and views. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If you like this video,